You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English that many get wrong and mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel in British English, because the American pronunciation is different. It is said as supper, stress on the first syllable, supper in American English. However, it is generally said as supper, supper, or supper. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.